about to close the main cabin door. All ground personnel.
Look, so yummy. Sarap yan. In fairness guys, ang sarap ng egg coffee.
Finger. Take it out like this.
Final product. Here you go. So, we are here in Terminal 3. We're going to Hanoi. Let's go! Guys, first time namin maupo sa seat 1. As in seat. First time namin ditong umupo. Ever. Yan. Sa seat 1. Touchdown Hanoi. Let's go. So ayun guys, so dito na tayo sa Hanoi, Vietnam. And this is our first time mag-Hanoi. Pero nakapag-Vietnam na kami before. Yung Ho Chi Minh. And super na in love kami sa Vietnam kasi pinaka-first is super cheap, super mura dito. As in, super mura. Yung Grab nila, less than 100 lang. Tapos yung mga food, ang mura, lahat mura. And then, ang ganda din kasi may touch siya ng French culture kasi before na ano sila, kung tayo na conquer tayo ng Spanish, sila French. And isa sa mga ano din pala, may nasa DNA ko na may Vietnamese blood ako. Diba? Kasi nag-test ako before ng DNA. Meron akong Vietnamese ano.
Basahin mo ngayon
10 29. Correct. So ayun, nandito kami to celebrate our anniversary, 14th anniversary. Aww. So excited na kami. Let's go! We got our luggages. Let's go! Kakain kami ngayon dito sa malapit lang sa hotel. So, beef pho na kami. Pero beef pho ba tawag? So yummy! So, hello Vietnam! So, this is our day 2. Kasi, yung day 1 namin talaga, for a flight lang talaga. Kasi, umalis kami sa Philippines ng around like, nasa airport na kami ng mga 8. So, yung flight namin is 10:50, ganun. So, ayun, dumating kami dito. Ang travel time niya is mga 3 hours. Dumating na kami. Mas advanced tayo ng 1 hour sa Vietnam. So, dumating kami ng mga 1:20, ganun. Exact naman, hindi naman late. So, ayun. So, today, day 2 na. Ang ginawa lang namin, natulog lang kami. So, nagising na kami after. Hindi na kami nakapag-breakfast. Kasi late na rin kami natulog kasi kumain kami. Pagdating namin sa hotel, kumain muna kami doon sa, buti na lang sa labas may kainan na pho. So, nag-pho kami agad. Sobrang sarap. Kahit yung, tapos grabe, ang mura. Yung pho nila, 100 pesos. Kalain nyo yun, di ba? May pho na ganun, na mura. Kasi pero ano lang siya, yung parang kalendarya. Pero sobrang sarap. As in. So, ayun. So, today's itinerary, wala kaming itinerary kasi itong travel na to, gusto namin. Relax lang. As in talagang food trip, ganun. Pero mag-ano naman kami ng mga tourist spots dito. Pero hindi yung super na everyday gigising na umaga yung ganun. So, medyo ano na kami doon. Pagod na kami sa ganun. So, ngayon, nag-book kami. 7 days kami dito sa Hanoi. Kasi gusto nga namin enjoy yung food. Tapos, coffee. Kasi coffee capital yata to ng Asia or buong mundo. So, yun. Magka-coffee kami. Coffee, food, banh mi. Lahat. Try natin ang mga Michelin stars restaurant dito. So, ayun. So, ngayon, naka-prepare na kami. Time check, it's around magti 3 o'clock na. So magla-lunch pa lang kami. So pupunta kami ngayon sa, nakalimutan ko yung name dahil ang hirap i-ano ng mga name dito. Pupunta kami dito sa Michelin star restaurant na kinainan ni Barack Obama na nandito siya. So let's go! This is their menu. Ayan si Barack Obama. Tapos yung pangalan nung ano nila, meal combo Obama. So we are ready to eat Obama's combo. Let's do it. Sarap niya. Ay, ba yun? Use the vegetable. Wow! Guys, sobrang sarap niya. Ito, para siyang barbecue. Tapos yung sabaw niya, medyo matamis na may parang suka or something. Pero ang super sarap. So, lagyan siya ng gulay. Tapos ito, parang spring roll. Try natin. Oh my God, ang sarap. Guys, kaya pala Michelin star ito. Sobrang sarap. Wow! Parang babalik kami dito. Grabe guys, sobrang sarap, worth it. Ubos. Ang sarap niya guys. Wala akong masabi siya. Kasi super sarap niya. Balikan mo siya. Pero siyempre, siguro ewan ko mababalikan pa ulit namin kasi gusto pa namin itry yung maraming cuisine dito sa Vietnam. So ayun, ang aming rate is 10/10. Masarap. Very unique. Basta first time namin makakain ng ganitong food. Masarap. So, kasi sa Vietnam food lang alam natin. Diba? Pero dito, may ganito pala. Ang sarap. Yung main ano yata nila dito, transportation na ano, gamit motor. Guys, tingnan mo yung motor dito. Ano to? Motor ano? Country of the world. Ang daming motor na nakapark. So eto guys, naglalakad tayo ngayon sa parang Burnham Park nila sa Baguio. Tapos sa gitna, ayun yung Ho Hoan Kiem. Ang tawag dito, Ho Hoan Kiem Lake. Andito yung mga afam. Charot. Ito, let's go. Tama ba ang nakikita namin? Siya ba yun? Ayun yung lake. McDonald's. Naglalakad-lakad na kami dito sa lakeside. Lakeside! So guys, andito tayo sa Uniqlo. Super sikat siya na store dito sa Hanoi, Vietnam. Ganda ng store nila. Ang ganda kasi ng building. Ito favorite dito ni RT. So nandito na tayo sa men's section. Let's go! Meron sila ng ano, t-shirt na Vietnam for Vietnam talaga.
I think they have the shorts, yung... Ang ganda. Ito yung pinaka-large.
Wow!
What the fuck? Grabe guys. Maling Cafe Giyang yung napuntahan namin. Grabe nila kadami, ilang minutes. Nakakaloka. Kaya be sure, kasi may pare-parehas pala yung mga name dito. So be sure next time na aanuhin yung pinaka-address talaga. Hindi lang yung name. Para hindi maliligaw. Okay. So ngayon, malapit na kami sa Cafe Giyang. Let's go! Ito yung ano nila, cafe. Yung upuan na ang liliit. I ordered hot egg coffee. Tingnan natin kung masarap talaga siya.
Ew.
In fairness guys, ang sarap ng egg coffee. So ngayon, today, nagbe-breakfast na kami. Kahapon di kami nakapag-breakfast kasi natulog lang kami.
Wow!
So ayun guys, so dito kami sa GS25 kasi bibili kami ng food and bibili kami ng coffee. Alam mo, hindi ako nagka-coffee sa Philippines, pero dito, sobrang sarap kasi. Yun nga lang, sobrang tapang. Tapos, nag-book kasi kami today ng tour. Day 3 na namin. So, Friday na. Nag-book kami ng tour. Pupunta kami sa mga villages na incense, siya yung nagagawa yata nung cup. Nung parang, yung cup ng mga Vietnamese. So, ayun. Naantay na lang namin yung service. So, let's go!
Anytime you go around Vietnam, you can see a lot of coffee hats, and it's often go with the like traditional dress. What I'm wearing today, and this one is a new style, so it's shorter, but like original one, it's the same with the name of this. Long, it means long skirts. Áo dài is mean long skirts. It goes here. But with me, this one is a new style, easier for me to walking around, so it's shorter. And women often wear this with the traditional hats like this to take a photo or before. At first, when it will appear, it's for like cleaning water rice. They need to iron the lid here. So the first to make them very flat, so you can easier to make the coffee hat. And the second, oh, it's also very good. And she put the flour under, and then after they finish the coffee hat, you can see the flour under there. So
So, nandito na tayo sa next village, which is the Incense Village. Let's go.
This is also the place top two in export the incense in Vietnam. They made the incense here to all the country, like buy it from here and then export as well. And I will take time for you to take photo first or it's raining.
Yeah.
And you can see some place you can go upstairs to take a photo more beautiful. And I will go there to take some photo for our group. And over there they have free coffee go have for you to take a picture and then like give it back for them. Yeah. The wood one, they will export it to another country and like this one. They are very good one, very thick. Like the quality we export, and this we use in our country. And inside there you can see a lot. And that's why you can see some people in this area, their hand getting red. And here is what you have. And if everyone like the red shoe, you can give me if you want red shoe. You don't want this, right? So yeah, you can try it. Not just an incense. Oh, sorry. It is also teaching machine. If your husband try it, it's made by cinnamon, you can share together. So right side, yeah. So this one meets the quality, meets the standard, but this one no. The red.
The red.
Oh, the red first.
Yeah. Or you have the instant like me.
Okay.
Okay. Careful, please. Water.
Guys, dito tayo inabutan ng mid-year sale ng Zara. Let's go! We are here in Vietnam. Let's go! let's go. Zara, mid-year sale. May pasayaw si Mayor dito sa Vietnam.